Gallium is a chemical element having atomic number 31. Elemental gallium is liquid at temperatures greater than 29.76 degrees Celsius and will melt in a person's hand. Since it is non-toxic and safe to handle, you can literally hold in the palm of your hand. It is used in making high-temperature thermometers, semiconductors and electronic circuits. Small amount of gallium can destroy anything made out of aluminium, including aluminium can. Do you know about home signal? This serves as a signal to the approaching ships when you get stuck in the sea. Containers which have a perforated bottom and a hole at the top are filled with calcium phosphide and calcium carbide. These are thrown into the sea. Water enters the container through the bottom and reacts with calcium carbide and calcium phosphide to give acetylene and phosphine. Phosphine gets ignited spontaneously as it comes in contact with the air and also ignites acetylene. So bright red flame is produced, which is accompanied by a huge smoke due to the burning of phosphine. This serves as a signal for approaching ships. Some ornaments are made of fordite. Fordite is not really a gemstone, it is a man-made thing. It is built up of layer upon layer of acrylic enamel paint that has been baked over and over again, making it very hard and durable. The paint is an acrylic material that does contain lead. However, inorganic lead that is contained in the paint is not easily absorbed to our skin. So, unless you are going to eat it, there is really no danger in wearing a piece of fordite. The lotus leaves and flower, which always appear clean despite growing in the muddy areas. The surface of lotus has natural hydrophobic property. It is comprised of adhesive, non-polar and wax-like substance. Hydrophobicity is the fear of water and it is the physical property of a molecule. Hydrophobic molecules and surfaces repel water, unlike hydrophilic molecules which form ionic or covalent bond with water. Ultra-hydrophobic materials have wide range of applications. Copper is a chemical element having atomic number 29. It has high thermal and electrical conductivity. Copper has antimicrobial activity that fight against bacteria. So don't drink water in the plastic bottles and ensure healthy drinking water using copper vessels. Penguinone is an organic compound with the molecular formula C10H14O. Its name comes from the fact that its two-dimensional molecular structure resembles a penguin. The suffix 1 indicates it is a ketone. The systematic name of the molecule is 3,4,4,5-tetramethyl-cyclohex 2,5-dienone. Some elements in the periodic table are named after certain things. Some are named after countries. Francium is named after France. Gallium is derived from Latin word gallus, meaning rooster, the symbol of France. Nihonium is named after Japan, which is Japan's name in Japanese, meaning the land of the rising sun. Polonium is named after Poland, which is the hometown of its discoverer, Curie. Germanium is named after Germany, which is a Latin word for Germania. Some elements named after astronomical units. Helium is named after Sun. Tellurium is named after Earth. Selenium is named after Moon. Neptunium is named after Neptune. Plutonium is named after Pluto. Uranium is named after Uranus.